Hello from the Arlo Lab. Today we will be going over how the Arlo Q, Q+, and the Arlo Baby camera work in the Arlo app. Let's get started. To begin with, the cameras will only work with the arm away, arm home, and standby modes in the Arlo app. By default, in arm away, the devices are set to detect motion and to record videos. In arm home, they will not detect motion or record videos to provide privacy while at home. And lastly, in standby, they are also set not to record. This can be used as a disarm option. All three modes can be customized through the app. To do so, open the app and tap Routines in the bottom right corner. From here, tap on Modes at the top and choose the mode you want to customize. From here, choose the device you want to customize. You can customize the sensitivity of the detection for both motion and audio, as well as set the recording length when this mode is active. If you do not want rules for these cameras in a certain mode, you can delete them by tapping Delete Device Rules at the bottom. If you want to add device rules to a mode, tap the plus icon from the mode settings page and choose your device and tap Save at the top. Next, edit the rules for the device as shown earlier. The devices also support the routine automations. Here you can set up a schedule or arriving and leaving rules to change between modes. For more information on how to set them up, make sure to check the links in the description. Please note that the Arlo Q series and Baby camera do not support the app custom modes. These devices will not appear in the device list under custom modes. We hope this video answered your questions about how the Arlo Q series and Arlo Baby camera work in the Arlo app. For more information, check the link in the description. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Arlo tips and troubleshooting. See you in the next video.